Hello. Hey. Howdy all gamers. Let me write that down. Howdy all gamers. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 13.5. Mind my French. All devices. I jailbroke my iPad, my Kindle, my iPhone, refrigerator. Alright. I'm gonna narrate the whole thing just so you understand. And I'll be giving you the show around the ropes, some tips and tricks. Started. Make that important. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, I'm just resize my window here. You want to download the IPA to unc0ver. Hit download right there. So when you promo their phone case, looks pretty sweet. Supports the devs. I don't see why not. Next, you're going to want to go download unc0ver. I'll put all the links in the description. So, yeah, download that. I already downloaded it, so I'm stopping this one. It's right there. Okay. So, I'm going to show you where they are in my downloads. Nothing for little eyes. Okay, there's the unc0ver IPA unc0ver app. Alright. Now, start unc0ver and just move it to your applications, and you're going to want to install this mail plugin. Now, I've already done it, but what we do is you normally move this out of the way. What you normally do is you open mail, go ahead and hit mail and then preferences or command comma, your choice. Go to the general tab, manage plugins, and put a check mark next to that one. I already have it installed, but yeah, go ahead, apply it, and restart mail. It's going to restart. You're going to have it open when you use unc0ver. Okay, so I'm going to move over to my battle station. Alright, hit install unc0ver. That's my name, my iPhone. I'm already jailbroken. Sources are for Patreon supporters of unc0ver. Pay $3 a month and you can add these sources. So that's how I installed mine, to make it easier. But that's not how I originally did it. But yeah, you just install it through there and it's on your phone, and then we can get going to the jailbreak process. However, if you didn't, you can hit the plus sign at the top on the normal app, and you can find the IPA through iCloud Drive or your provider of choice and install it. And I'll dig into those in a minute. So you're gonna hit re-jailbreak. We'll just jailbreak. I'm already jailbroken, so for me it did this. Go to unc0ver, hit jailbreak, and if there's no problems and you have enough space, then you shouldn't have a problem doing this. I'm on 13.5. But it should work from anything from iOS 11 to 13.5, but not 13.5.1. They always have the ad for the case. Hit complete, okay, that's the last step. And it's gonna reboot. So I'm gonna fast forward through this right here. Alrighty, so it's rebooted. And I am jailbroken. That is definitely not stock right there. I already have some stuff installed. Now I'm going to show you, you're technically jailbroken and you're going to have Cydia. I'm going to show you what to do once you're jailbroken. These are some of the tips and tricks, ropes in the tour I was going to give. So there's where you add your sources. I'll put my list up if anyone would like it. Otherwise, you can find most stuff on Reddit or Google or Bing or DuckDuckGo. So my most helpful icons, apps, is Crashed, and I hadn't crashed in a day or two. So that will normally show you what's causing your crash. If you install some kind of tweak and it crashes, that'll show you what it is. Or if it's an app with jailbreak detection, it'll show up there too. Another helpful one's iCleaner. It helps you get rid of cache files, whatever, to save space, and it lets you turn off tweaks so you don't just have to uninstall them to troubleshoot things. And these are launch Damians. I have some that I don't need turned off, like AirPrint. I don't have an AirPrint printer. Okay. Next one I'm going to show you. Let me find it here. Is Zebra. Okay, so Zebra, it's like Cydia, but it's better. It's a different package manager, and you have to install it through Cydia. But it has dark mode, and it has a better queuing and better search. It's like Cydia for this decade. And yeah, so another important thing that I think every jailbreak user should know about, and I'm going to do it for you because I actually haven't done it yet, is you have to install a new term. I'll install that link in the description for the instructions. But what you're going to do is install a new term, not mobile terminal, that's old. Like they said, right, the instructions. You're going to run the terminal, and you're going to type in su root. You're going to go to the root as a super user. Just wondering what that means. So you go from there. It's going to ask for a password. Every iPhone comes with the password Alpine, like the tree. Then you're going to type in passwd password. So you just type in your new one. I'm going to show the world my root password of my iPhone. Someone might steal all my bitcoins. So you do retype it. It's not going to show dots or anything. You just hit enter when you're done. Just make sure you type it right. Alright everybody, that wraps up my jailbreak tutorial for iOS 13.5 and lower using unc0ver. Alright, please like, hit notifications for all, and subscribe.